Kasalanan ng panahon ni Duterte kung ba't hindi ma-disclose ang health status ng presidente.
Sabi
FYI.
ng Supreme Court, ang mandatory daw.
The Supreme Court na mostly appointed ni Duterte. I said. But that's factual.
Okay.
Diba? Oh. So, ang interesting ngayon, pag inakyat yan sa Supreme Court, how will the Supreme Court make a decision?
They can say, we already ruled on this.
Mm-mm.
At sabi namin doon sa De Leon versus Duterte, discretionary lang. Kung gusto nilang ilabas o hindi.
So they will follow, they will just repeat what they previously said nung time na dinidemand natin na i-disclose yung health status ni Duterte. Or of course, hindi naman laging consistent ang court in terms of following precedent. Sometimes they see new things and the possibility of having a different interpretation this time, meaning they woke up on the other side of the different side of the bed. At may iba na silang appreciation.
And yung case kasi na yun, hindi naman unanimous. So, si Caguian, Chillonan dissented. They both dissented. So, baka pwedeng mangyari.
May bagong composition ng court. Diba?
I-reverse nila yung
previous decision.
Yes.
And now, make it mandatory for the president to disclose his health status and do maybe even include the hair follicle test